At CES, Samsung is expected to unveil both a remarkable folding back Galaxy X and an all-new Galaxy S9. But new leaks also reveal Samsung is working on a far more radical Galaxy smartphone than either of them. Popular Dutch tech site LetsGoDigital has the scoop, having uncovered a brand new Samsung WIPO, World International Property Office, patent which details how the company will build a completely bezel-less phone. And this is not bezel-less like the meaningless marketing terms being thrown around by smartphone companies today. This is zero bezels, no notch, nothing. But why would Samsung extend its so-called edge displays like this? Firstly, it simply looks stunning, as the LetsGoDigital concept illustrates above. Secondly, it would bring new functionality such as side or top notifications, being able to see your notifications from the top of your phone without even needing to take it out your pocket. And thirdly, it would allow the replacement of physical power and volumes buttons with virtual ones that reduce repairs and increase water resistance. Furthermore, none of this display folding technology is science fiction. Perhaps most notably, Apple's newly launched iPhone X actually achieves its bezel reduction via, yes, bending the edges of the glass around the display. Though in Apple's case the display bends internally inside the phone, rather than being wrapped visibly around the edges. Of course, if Samsung is making such a radical Galaxy smartphone, it also raises questions such as to where the front-facing cameras will go, presumably fitted under the display glass, and whether Samsung can finally get its in-display fingerprint sensors working. Is there a time frame we can apply to such technology becoming public? Right now, no. Certainly 2018 will be too soon, but with no less than 3 Galaxy S9 models coming in the new year. Despite some bad news, the already hotly anticipated Galaxy X almost ready and a complete redesign of its cheaper Galaxy smartphones imminent, it certainly seems like Samsung's innovation teams are on a roll.